after a long day's work and you had your turban hair tie on, we're just gonna get our curls popping, y'all. And yes, I do have alopecia edges, so if you are looking like what happened to her sides, I'm in the process of regrowing them back, so don't trip. Okay. So what I want to do is I'm gonna keep my edges slicked back. All right, so I got a little bit of moisture in my hair. I don't want my hair totally super soaked. I just want to get my curls reactivated. And I'm going in with some of this Cantu Shea leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna pop some of that in my hair. And this is just what I do every day when I come home. I just take the turban off, I re-moisturize my hair, and I just relax, honey. And what I'm going to do is take my toothbrush with some Cantu already on the bristles, and I'm just running that from the root to the end, and then allowing the curls to drop just like that. And that's just going to keep the curls popping all day long. And I like to twist the brush like this, and that is just going to make the curls activate really, really well. And it's going to curl each individual hair strand. You want to roll it on your finger and then just let it go. And you can see it will curl up. All right, so once we get to this point, I'm going in with my pick. Now, I like to do this almost when my hair is about 70% to 80% dry. But just for camera purposes, I'm going to go in and just lift. So this is what I'll be doing throughout the time that my hair is drying, because I like a lot of drama and height with my hairstyle. For some extra added coverage, I'm just going to take some of this Got To Be glue and just run that around the swoop area right here around my sides. And so that's just going to grab some of those longer hairs and mold it to our alopecia edges. And that's what we want it to do. So you want to just drag some of these longer pieces and kind of like swoop it down. And that's how you're going to be able to cover up your edges. So let me get close just so y'all can see. Just so y'all can understand really what I'm doing. I'm grabbing some of these longer pieces like this, and I'm swooping them around just to cover up our edges. So y'all don't worry about it. You can still be cute no matter what kind of hair condition you have or are suffering from. Don't worry about it. And so I'm not going to manipulate my hair too much right now because it's still in the wet state. So let me go ahead and go over to the other side and grab some of the more of that Got To Be, so we can pull some of these longer hairs and conceal these edges. And I like to take my comb first to really grab the hairs, and we're gonna slick them down. And then I kind of like to go back behind the comb with my brush and really grab these hairs right here. And just create a nice little cute swoop. Don't worry about it, y'all. These hairstyles are temporary because we will have edges. That is the goal, to regrow back our hair. So don't worry about it. All right, so that's what we have like right now. Kind of like my sides to lay closer to my temples, and I like for the middle to have a lot more height. But like I say, don't really manipulate your hair too much while it's in the wet state, and you definitely don't want to pull the pick all the way to the ends of your hair. You want to still leave the curl definition in there and allow your curls to just do what they do. And there you have it. Try me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think.